we are going to show you that how you can use the different design tools. We will open a new sheet and then we will use this tool, freehand and brush tool, and you can see you can design different things using these. You can see, for example, let's say we will make a chain, and then you can see if we want to make this one, you can change it, and you can make very fabulous designs using this one. Then for example, let's say we will use this, and this one you can see. And once again we will use this. Let's say you can select different designs, let's say this one, and you can see, and you can use this as well. mm, you can design different shapes like this.